I guess I better get to cleaning. Look at all of these dishes. I'm gonna have to clean this up. Ken. Yeah, Barbie? Can you come help me clean up? Yeah, I was making the bed. Okay, good. I put that in here. Okay, let me get the rest of the dishes. Okay, I got all of the dishes. Now I'll just take them to the sink. Okay, now that I'm done making the bed, I guess I can go downstairs and help Barbie. Okay, yeah. Hey, Barbie, what are you doing? I'm just doing the dishes, Ken. Would you mind vacuuming for me? Sure. I'll vacuum for you. Where is the vacuum? It's in the living room on the floor. Okay. Vacuum. Oh, there it is. Looks like I'm gonna be a vacuumer today. I guess I can go earn my dress for today. Barbie, you really know how to clean. Thanks so much, Ken. You too, you're a big help. Where are the girls? The girls? I believe that they're at a friend's house. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. I don't need them here messing up anyway. Yeah, you're right. I love that dress. Are you wearing it today? Yes, I am wearing it today. Did we finish cleaning up? Is the bathroom clean upstairs? Oh yeah, the bathroom's clean. Okay, awesome. There, I'm all done. I'm gonna go put my dress on, Ken. Okay, Barbie. I'll be back in a jiffy. Good, and then can we leave? Yeah, we can leave then. Great. Oh, we've been here all morning cleaning. Barbie! Come on, I'm ready to go. Here I come. How do I look? You look amazing, Barbie. Thank you so much, Ken. Now let's go, silly.